So welcome to my room, my bedroom, my quiet place. I love this place. It's so comfortable, so quiet, and so clean for me. So let's start with a comforter. This is from HomeGoods. I feel like it blends beautifully and it gives that hotel vibe to the bed. These canvases I actually created myself because I wanted a headboard, but then I decided not to get a headboard because I wanted to paint. So I got 3 canvases and I got the idea from actual paintings that I saw at a furniture store that I really loved, and they had all those sparkles and like these type of waves, if you want to call them, or sharp objects, if you want to call them. And that's what they turned out to look like. I also put some glitter on the sides of the canvases so it would look very empty, and I love it. Those huge pillows are from HomeGoods as well, and then I have regular pillows, more regular pillows, and then decorative pillows are from HomeGoods as well. They're matching. As you can see, I have 2 of the gray ones with the beads, which I love, and then that middle one, all sparkly and beautiful, from a Florida store called El Dorado Furniture. Beautiful. I saw it and I was like, yes, this is mine, and this is going to be the centerpiece of the bed. So that's where it is, and it's just so pretty. I love, love, love bling. So now these nightstands are from a store called City Furniture here in Florida. I have a matching set. I got it from the as is section. It's literally half priced. I also have the dresser, a matching dresser. I literally got everything half off just because it's from like a different store that was standing there as like a model or a defective. I mean, mines are perfect and they're beautiful. I have a candle, of course. Bath and Body Works Marshmallow Fireside is my favorite. This is also from HomeGoods. Love the bling. And then the lamps are also from HomeGoods, as well as this mirror. I feel like it creates such a nice touch and a nice selfie place. This vase is from Ross. I got it a long time ago. I didn't know what to do with it, and I was like, this is an accent piece, so I'm just going to put it on display just like that. I love it. It's very pretty. And then I added these into it, just random it. And here we go, the dresser again. I love it. It's very clean cut, very clean cut, very white, and shiny. Then I have this from Ross as well. It's like a bench / storage space. I can add some stuff, and it has some sparkles on it, which I love, and it goes very well with my room, which is white and gray accents, so I loved it very much. Then I have this lamp from Ikea. I love the subtle light it gives when everything is dark. I'll show you guys later when I turn all the lights off. It's just very, very romantic and calming. Then these drapes are from Ikea. Love them. Light gray, blackout, can't see the sun really. Then these curtain rods are also from HomeGoods, and they are full of sparkle. They're so beautiful. I really love them. So moving on to this side, I have this extra canvas just laying there on the floor. It's from Michael's. I have yet to decide what I want to do with it. Then I have this extra vase from Ross as well. This is a silver one. And then for a contrast, I have a gold accent into it, accessory, and yes. This is the other matching lamp from HomeGoods with the matching nightstand right there. And this bed skirt is actually from Walmart. It's great, like it a lot, does the job. And this is finally the complete look of my bedroom. this is just a bonus footage of my living room. As you can see, I really like the gray and the light colors because I feel like it just opens up the room and makes it very warm, cozy, and elegant. So I hope you enjoyed my tour. I really hope you did, and please like this video and share with your friends. Comment below, show me some love, and I will catch you on my next video.